Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk you through how to install SOLIDWORKS on your computer. Just a quick note before we start, this guide is for standalone licenses only. If you're working with network licenses, admin images, or you need to modify an existing installation, make sure to check out the appropriate guide. To get started, you'll need two things: your SOLIDWORKS serial number and the installation manager. You can access both from here. Once the download is complete, open the file. You'll see a small grey window pop up. Click Unzip and the installation manager will launch automatically. Keep in mind you'll need admin rights to continue. On the welcome screen, choose Install on this computer, then click Next. Here, enter the serial numbers for the products you want to install. You must enter a serial number under 3D Design to install SOLIDWORKS. On the summary screen, you'll see which products are being installed. Whilst you're here, take a moment to update your installation location and toolbox folder to include the version year. This will make future upgrades much easier. Once you've reviewed everything and accepted the terms and conditions, click Download and Install. This part can take a while because the files are pretty big, so feel free to grab a coffee while you wait. When the installation finishes, open up SOLIDWORKS. The activation wizard will appear. Select the products you want to activate, add an email address and choose Automatic Activation over the internet. And that's it. Once activated, SOLIDWORKS is ready to use. Thank you for watching and happy designing.